name is Nakia, and I'm a Divine Elements of Design in the Decorator's Voice. I'm a certified interior decorator, professional organizer, and planning and productivity strategist. And if those are topics that you're interested in, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell for notifications. In addition to my YouTube videos, I also send out a blog post on Tuesdays, newsletter on Wednesdays, and a new video is posted on Thursdays. So if that's something that you're interested in, please stay tuned, and you can find information about the various topics in the discussion box below. I also have a free 5-day to organize life at home email course. The description or the information about the course will be in the description box below. So today I want to give you an update on my California closet. I converted my old unusable closet about a year and a half ago. And this is my first video of my closet since then. So with the California Closets organization system, it's very customizable. And initially I thought I wanted something on this section. Actually on this section I wanted 2 rods, but I actually ended up having to change it out and getting more shelves. So I'm going to go ahead and show you a brief overview of my closet, some of the things I've changed, some of the things I like, some of the things actually there's nothing I dislike. I love my closet. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and turn in. Look at this closet. Okay, so as you can see, this is the top of the closet. When you open up the door from my bathroom to the closet, this is what you see. And the California Closet designer kind of recommended I put all the things I really wanted to show off in this section. So initially, I had 2 hanging rods on this side, but I decided no, I didn't really want hanging rods. I wanted to just keep it all shelves. So on the top shelf, you'll see I have a couple purses, a tiara, because you know I'm a queen. This section right here, some not a purse, but another tiara, some shoes, perfume, some of my Gucci items right there. And I think that was actually where one of the shelves were. I have my Neverfull, my Louis Vuitton GM Neverfull, and I'm just telling you the size because that shows you how big that area is. On the bottom, you know, it's a shoebox and some shoes and different things like that. On this top shelf, I have another purse, some shoes, some Gucci, Louis Vuitton, and oh, my favorite perfume, which is the Jimmy Choo. I don't know like the name of it, but I just love that fragrance. And I have all that stuff on the shelves with the Jimmy Choo shoes, my Christian Louis Vuittons. They're basically like decorations because they are so hard to walk in. Now, one thing I am going to do is a sunglass review or sunglass video because I saw someone had a review before, so it'll be a whole nother video if you want to look at my luxury sunglass collections. So that's them, and they all serve a very important purpose in my home. So I did keep this shelf right here just for all of the shoes. Since I've had this closet, I have not worn all of those shoes. In fact, I've purchased several more since then. This is actually like the valet hook. That's where you would like hang your clothes for the day. I just kind of have a hat there. My son buys it because I wear that often. That's why it's all like raggedy, but that's there. Nothing's new on this side as far as the configuration of the system. I did keep the shelves there. I just added some more shoes. On this side, because I had no place for my dirty clothes, but there was like a dirty clothes hamper. It's all kind of crazy because it was in the laundry room, and those people that I live with, my children, were always putting stuff in it and messing up the shape, so I just took it out of there. If you remember those are my little luxury plaques or pictures that I actually got from, I want to say like Ross, so shout out to Ross. Everything else on this side is still the same. There's my luggage and some purses. The hanging space. Now, one thing that I would have done differently is more long hanging space, because this is the hanging space for my dresses, and I have more dresses than that. Now, there is this little security box thing that's in the way, so I don't even have like the full amount of space that I could have. So if I were to do it again, I would take that into consideration. But I still have hanging space there, hanging space there. Now, another thing that I've seen in other closets, like this is useless space up there. They can be a shelf. So I don't know if I'm gonna contact them and see if they can kind of add a shelf there. I don't know where it would bracket into because I wouldn't want to obstruct being able to put that luggage piece right there. But I just think that that's some wasted space, even though I do need that for the overhang of my clothes. But I feel that's kind of wasted space. Then you go all the way down and then there's shoes. That's still the little ottoman where I keep some things in. I love my rug. And then I actually have this little basket right there where I just kind of keep some of my flip-flops and slides in. But overall, I'm still very happy with this space. The light fixture is definitely still to die for. I'm so much in love with it. But overall, I'm very happy with this space. If you would like a dedicated video of maybe a particular item other than my sunglass haul or my sunglass review, I will give you one. But if you have the opportunity to have a California closet, yes, it is expensive, but it's one of the best in the business. So I highly recommend you utilize our services. Like I said, it's been 2 years and I'm still in love. Well, thank you very much for watching this video and stay tuned for this journey. I will put in the description box or in the end card the picture of the closet, what it looked like before, and then also the video from before, like the actual before and after video. Well, thank you very much for watching, and you have a divine day. Goodbye.